Whoa.
Did you see that?
Yeah, I'm scared.
I'm not videoing,
I'm the one who's videoing. This is the weather in Ireland right now. Storm. Once this hits our house.
Did you hear that? No. Did you hear that? No.
Now, this is my second time seeing a thunderstorm. This is actually a perfect... Please don't hit our tree. Please don't hit our tree. Please don't hit our tree.
Promise, but
I am scared.
we're just watching it from afar. It's not like we're at the... Woo!
I wonder where is this hitting?
Dunmore, probably.
Poor's.
That one looked near.
I'm scared. Because once a human is dashed by a piece of lightning, boom, they dead. This is awesome to watch, but I am...
why, but it feels like it's a UFO invading because there's too many lights.
Alien invasion! Alien invasion! Alien invasion!
Love, like
Alien invasion!
you heard one of them, didn't you?
We are stalking Atiana.
Oh, you missed that. We missed that. Oh my god.
Yeah, let's keep the window closed.
No, fine.
Because our window's gonna get soaked.
Can you see that?
Yes, I can see
this side,
that.
bro. The other side.
Yeah, I'm gonna
can
stay
see
on the
it.
safe
Look.
side.
Yep, I think so.
This looks like a guy from KFC.
I saw that. Oh, okay.
Hi at the...
Oh my god. No.
This is a sight to
It's not
see.
going away. This is the longest thunderstorm I've
This is the
had here in...
This is the longest gosh dang thunderstorm.
I've seen in Ireland, okay? Ooh, it's still flickering. How long have we been? I'd say it's been 5 minutes already.
Meh.
Right, main?
I'm scared though.
And the thing was,
Ate,
kanina pa yata to eh.
Ate, I'm scared.
Don't be.
Guys, it's just a thunderstorm.
It's fine with me.
It's just a thunderstorm. We're gonna die if this strikes the house.
You didn't live in Philippines. It's fine.
Baby, you're not gonna die even if it
And
strikes
yeah.
the house.
What if it strikes a person? Will they die?
Of course they would, but it's
Okay, go
unlikely.
outside.
They only